Go. Hi, this is our PE terminology presentation, which our member is Louis Surubi, Richard King, Gilbert Howell, me, and Peter. And Peter now, he is permission because of the blackout. Okay, so for the first term, airball. Airball, which means is basketball. Basketball shot that means everything from net, over net, or backboard. Assist is when you help someone to score a basket or point. Bench is where participants or the team player sits. Carry the ball is when you carry the basketball, and that can cause a violation. And charging is as what shows in the pictures. It also means as an offensive foul, which occurs when an offensive basketball player runs into a defender who has a stabilized position.
Basketball court is where the basketball game runs, and there are two types of court, which is indoor and outdoor court. A dribble is movement of the ball caused by a player in control who throws or taps the ball to the floor. Fast break is a play or method of play that brings the ball from one end of the court to the other quickly. Foul line is a line on the court 15 feet away from the backcourt, from which foul shots are taken. Jump ball is a method of putting the ball into play. The referee tosses the ball up between two opponents who try to tap it to a teammate.
Layup. Layup is a shot taken after driving to the basket by leaping up under the basket and using the one hand to shoot the ball off the backboard. Personal foul. Personal foul is contact between players, which may result in excessive physical contact or provide one team with an unfair advantage. Players may not push, hold, trip, hack, elbow, restrain, or charge into an opponent. These are all counted as team fouls. Rebound. Rebound is a term used to describe the actual retrieving of the ball as it rebounds from the backboard or the ring after a missed shot. Shot clock is a shot made before the time runs out, and traveling is when you make more than 2 steps while holding the ball with both of your hands.
Okay, so for the other term is turnover. Turnover is where when an opponent team is attacking your team, they take back the basket and turn over to the other side of the court. Alley-oop is a pass high above the basketball rim that allows a player to catch and slam dunk or drop the ball in one motion to the basket or ring. And bridge is also called as a pull shot. Chest pass is a pass from the chest to the people. If double team is when you defense one player by two teams in your team.
So the other term is zone defense. It's a type of defense used in team sport, which is alternative to man-to-man defense instead of each player guarding a corresponding player one on the term team. Each defensive player is given to an area to cover. Buzzer beater. In basketball, buzzer beater is a shot that is taken before the game clock of a quarter, a half, or an overtime period expire to does not go in the basket until the clock expired on the buzzer sound. Next, pump fake. Pump fake is also known as a shot fake and usually involve a jump shot retrained before the feet leave the ground. The pump fake is a fundamental move in basketball used to cause defenders to jump or be shift of balance. Flash and quick offensive cut across the paint toward the basketball. Next, intentional foul. An intentional foul is a foul that is deliberate committed by a defensive player to stop the offense, usually for time management.
Okay, so that's all from our presentation today. Thank you.